What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your SD card here into your laptop device. I've got in here a Lenovo laptop device, and I'm also going to show you how you can do it on an HP laptop as well. Let's say that, for example, I have recorded a video here on my camera, or I've took a few pictures using my camera, and I do have my SD card in here. We all know that our cameras come with an SD card in here, and this is the SD card. Let's say that I want to connect it into my laptop, and I'm going to show you where exactly it fits on your laptop device. So first things first, what you need to ensure is that your SD card is not locked. As you can see, we do have in here a slider here on the left, which allows us to go down as well as up. So we need to ensure that it's up or simply unlocked, okay? Because down we do have the lock icon over there. So once it's unlocked, we're going to connect it into our laptop, and usually we do have the SD card entrance either on the left or on the right. Let me just quickly show it to you how it looks like. It's not on this side. Let me just show it on the other side. We do have here on Lenovo laptops, we do have in here this entrance that allows us to insert SD cards. Just ensure that it's clean and that you do not touch this area here on the SD card, and then simply insert it here. This is how easy it goes. There we go. SD card has been inserted, and as soon as you actually turn on your laptop and start using it, you'll be able to get access to all the information that you do have stored here on your SD card. Now, this is how you remove it, but do not forget to eject it before removing that specific SD card. Now, here we go. I do have an HP laptop here in this case, for example, just to showcase it to you the same way on how you can actually insert that specific SD card. Simply close it. Okay, we do have here usually on the right, we do have in here a port, okay, more to the bottom on the HP laptop that allows you to connect that specific SD card. Here we go. Just insert it real quick and you're good to go. For example, on this laptop, it goes in much deeper, while on the other one, it stays a bit outside. This is how you insert the SD card and you're good to go. You can now rock and roll. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video. And if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and do not forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.